What's going on YouTube? It's Jin, aka One Love Fishing, and this is my boy
Martin.
And we met back in Richmond. We did some collaborations, but now we're here in OBX, Outer Banks, North Carolina, and we did some fishing, a charter for redfish. We were trying to catch some sheephead, flounder, speckled trout, and we were able to hook in some pretty good reds and some pretty good flounders as well. But this video that I'm going to show you guys, it's not going to have much talking on it. So just to give you a rundown, we're out on a charter and we were using a jig head with a gulp shrimp, a jig head with like sand fleas. My boy threw a couple different baits. You threw like swim baits.
I threw a popping cork with a little jig, with a jig head and like a jerk shad underneath, and then we switched over once Jen figured out that they were hitting the shrimp. Yeah. And I switched over to the popping cork with a jig head with just some shrimp, and that's how we slayed them for about an hour.
Jig head and the shrimp. It sounds simple, but it works. So in this context.
Yep.
So I appreciate you, man.
Yeah, thanks for coming out.
Yeah. No problem. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey, can I give you a shout out on YouTube if I make a video? Cool. You say your name is Terry? Captain Terry. And then this is?
OBX Short Fishing Excursions.
Cool.
Just had to look that word up.
Sweet, go ahead, check them out. I should have gave you a hard time and said this is my first time fishing.
I'm so used to it, wouldn't even pick up on it.
Because I remember you asked me if I've ever went fishing.
Yeah, but he brought all his stuff, you know.
Yeah. I'm over here with nothing.
Easily. Yeah.
There we go.
Between all the different species, easily over 20.
Probably a drum. Another red.
Oh yeah, nice.
That's
one
a nice
too.
one. That's a nice one.
Woo.
Yep.
Very nice one.
This one's pretty. This one's very pretty. This one's really pretty. Thank you, sir. I want to hook him. You want to drop him down? Thank you, sir.
Thank
you. Yeah, this is cool. This is so much fun to catch. I see why people target these things. Beautiful fish.
Whoa, what was that?
Beautiful fish. You got one?
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
He's just walking away with it, right?
Yeah, he was just walking away.
See what you got there.
This was a big one.
That's just shrimp. Cool.
So
that's a flounder.
Came up for it.
Nice flounder. Nice one.
When you can't keep them, what size is the limit?
That would be a keeper
15?
right there.
4 per person.
Nice. Perfect. You got one too? Nice. They're hitting. Let's get this triple.
Good one, no?
Can you get the net?
Yeah,
oh my goodness. That's a big one.
Dude. That's massive, dude.
That's massive.
That's what, 18 inches?
Got my shirt dirty. Good thing I bring a second one.
Yeah. Look at that flounder.
That's a good one. Whatever you're pulling out here.
You got the net?
Yeah, that's not that.
What you got there? Nice. Nice little red.
No, I can see the fork go down. So.
Yes. Yep, that's a good one. That's a good one, bro.
That's a good one. Oh my goodness. Hold on.
It just flew off. It just flew off. Oh, that's a big one, bro.
In the cast. That's right. I got it.
Oh, snap.
It's a TFO.
That's a big drum, man.
Not that big a deal because I got
That's a big drum.
a lifetime warranty on this. Hey, let me go over you. No. Yeah, you go under me.
That's crazy.
It's a big drum right here.
Here, come back, Mark. Come back, come on.
Hold on, but the line is okay.
Yeah, you're good now. Yeah, oh, I got a fish on.
You got a fish on?
You got a fish on.
Oh, you got a fish on.
Trying to figure it out. Like the virus.
Hand wheel this.
Sorry, guys.
No, you're good.
It's too crazy, man.
It's getting a little too crazy.
Oh, crap.
That's a nice drum, bro. Oh my goodness. We got one for you, Martin, for you to take home.
For sure, for sure.
Oh snap, he's fast. Woo!
Nice. What do you want? Just take the sure thing?
Let's take it.
We might not catch a third one if we throw it
Yeah,
back.
let's keep it.
Sure
Let's
thing.
keep
Yeah,
it.
we'll keep it.
Okay.
That's a good size. Thank you so much, Captain.
You're welcome.
My schedule? I work every third day. Every third day.
There we go.
Got a guy.
What's that? Red?
Flounder.
In a place called Swan Quarter.
Definitely flounder.
Another flounder.
You could flip that one.
I shut down the other half
Perfect.
of the day because of where.
Woo! Would you mind sending us like the pictures of some of the fish we caught?
Absolutely.
Thanks.
It'll probably be 6:37 tonight.
It's all good. I know you're busy.
Yeah.
They got a lot of flounder back here.
I'm going to take you about 8.
Let's go.
Doing
Yep. Not bad. Based upon the head shakes.
Ooh,
That's a nice flounder. That's a nice flounder.
How about that, man?
Woo!
That would be 2 legal ones
Woo!
in the last 10 minutes.
That's right.
Very nice, man.
Thank you.
Kind of hard to get on a.
Nice flounder right here. Let's go ahead and let him back.
Oh, man, y'all get it down.
Yeah.
I had a good feeling, man. Remember when we were just riding here, I was like, I got a good feeling about today.
See that picture of that whole scruffy captain? You're like, man, that guy caught a big fish.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Whatever that is. Woo! Let me see if I can hook on one too. What you got there, bro? You got your GoPro on?
Yeah, I do. It's gonna take a while.
Yeah. I'll get you right here. Hold on, let me roll this rod in.
Don't go wherever you want, man.
That's a good fish, whatever that is. What a trip, man.
I ain't trying to stop.
Woo! What is that? Maybe a flounder.
Stingray, isn't it?
Stingray? Skate?
Oh. What's going on?
Oh, that's a nice drum.
Just feisty.
Nice little drum. Or a big drum, that is. Let's go.
Feisty.
Yeah, real feisty drum. Nice. Woo, look at that.
Nice.
Woo.
Dang, he's
That's
huge.
a big one.
We ain't be able to get that one day.
Look at that beautiful fish.
All right. Mr. Trey.
Yeah.
Nice. Yep. Yep.
Solid.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
Dude, that's
Yep.
feels like a big one right there.
Oh yeah. Yep. Let's go.
Oh,
Oh yeah, let's go. It's probably a flounder.
it's a drum.
It's a drum?
See that go flash?
Oh, okay.
Nice drum.
This is the hardest finding one that I had so far.
Them pin rods don't feel too bad, do they?
Not at all.
$100, you know.
Hard to
For a
beat.
whole combo.
Hard to beat. Hard to beat.
It's easy enough to keep up with. You know what
Sure.
you're spending, you know.
Yeah.
That's definitely good enough for customers. I use
Trying to
them
get
for
under the boat.
too, so. I can use them to catch small catfish.
Really?
Oh, nice.
That's a nice
Very
one.
nice.
That's a really, really nice one. Oh my goodness. Another one.
Good spot.
Woo!
The
The spots on there are insane.
Okay.
Woo! Woo!
You think that thing was straightened right up?
Yeah. Look at those spots, man. Dang. Woo!
I probably go get him.
You got one too?
Yep.
Let's go, let's go. Double up.
Little baby one.
Oh, there we go. Easy release. Let's go. Look at those spots, man. Not yet, buddy.
Right behind you. Oh, right there, your left.
All right.
Right to your left. Right just here.
Cool.
How'd you guys meet?
Fishing.
Fishing, really?
Shad fishing.
Yeah, we were fishing the hickory shad on the James. Yeah. And I was pulling in a hickory shad, and this guy over here from like 50 feet away, he's like, "Yo, you need a net?" That's how we met.
That's how we met.
How long you been hanging out?
3 years.
3 years.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
One of the reasons we wanted to come here was we wanted to kind of learn from your experience, you know?
Yeah.
Kind of like how you do stuff. Oh yeah, that looks good. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's a lot better.
Yeah. Oh man, we got the limit though. That's nice.
Nah, they're all the same size. They are.
Yeah, dude.
Cool, don't it?
He's pulling. Let's go. Yes.
There we go.
Oh, be careful, sir.
Yeah, I'm good.
You hurt firefighter.
No. I got a lot of balance and reaction time. I'm good, like a ninja.
Okay, hold that up real quick for the camera. Show the spots on the side, the 3 dots. Sick, dude. Good catch.
Thanks.
I think we're having too much fun, Captain.
I'm watching my back. I don't want y'all to knock me out. You already said he was a ninja. Yeah, sneak it up on me.
Yeah, it's good. A pressure point knocked out.
Take some pain off a nerve somewhere.
Yeah. I'll take that pain out of your hips too.
Another one. Which way is she running?
This one's good.
Yeah.
This one's real good.
Another good one?
Yeah, this one's real good. It's not as spicy.
Here, bring it around. Or if you can. He's around coming around this side. Another drum?
I don't know.
Look at that flounder.
Holy
Gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's get it.
He's trying to dig back down.
He's trying to dig back down. Woo!
Holy
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Holy dude.
Can you hold him on the bottom? I'll hold him up top.
Yeah. This one is 20.
Can you hold him up any kind of way?
I'm sorry?
Can you hold him up any kind of way?
Oh yeah.
Get the picture.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Good catch, bro.
Very nice.
Fish, buddy.
Woo!
Kept on quite a few myself.
Bro, this trip has been insane. This trip's been crazy.
I've enjoyed y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed it.
Yes!
Yeah, likewise.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Not again.
What's that right there? Black drum?
Like a black girl.
This is the keeper right here?
No. Yeah, be 14.
That's not 14? That's like 12?
Probably not 14. Can't tell you that.
Cool. Throw him back.
Where you work, guys?
See you later, dude.
Before that troll where you were at.
I have no clue.
I know at least just 2 or 3
Oh, for sure. There we go. Small one. What is that? Flounder. It's a flounder. Yes. Just pick it up.
Yeah, you can't keep it.
Heck yeah, dude. Flounder.
Try that medium light.
Yep. I wanted to make sure I came a little bit prepared, save you some time.
at me now. Why don't y'all stay this evening? We just want to go back here.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Oh, came off.
Oh my goodness.
Came off.
Let's get the last fish.
Get a triple.
Let's get a triple.
Right
Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, you got my bait. You got one? Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Mind if I get the net?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Flounder?
No, it's a
Drum?
It's a big drum, yeah.
Yeah, dude. These things fight.
You're probably not gonna want to come on that side. Here we are.
Is this bigger than the other one? It might be.
Not the same.
Yeah. Pretty fish.
Where you going? Oh, wow.
Woo! Woo! Is that up? I just need one.
One for you, one for y'all, one for me.
Thank you.
Should we get a picture?
Yeah, can I? I'm gonna start putting my stuff away.
All right.
I'm gonna open this latch behind you, so don't trip.
All right.
Get time and don't mind leaving your review. Oh yeah.
There we go.
That's what does it best.
Yeah. Okay.
That was a nice strike there. Let him run a little bit. Nice flounder, nice flounder.
Really good reviews on like what it did. You should have seen how much it cost me.
Nice way to end it right there. Woo wee. Oh, we got off. It's all right.
Oh, that's
It's all right. That's the good way to end it.
4 or 5 flounder y'all could have took home.
Yeah.
Easily.
So
easily.
Woo.
So man.
That was awesome. Woo wee. Thank you so much, Captain.
You're welcome. Thank you. I appreciate y'all coming.
Captain Terry, can you give us a rundown on what the charter's called and like
What is called?
yeah, what the charter's called for the viewers?
Inshore Fishing Excursions. 252-562-8216.
What kind of prices do you have, like half day and then full day?
4 days, half days, 425, 4 days, 800.
Appreciate it so much. Hey, check him out because he put us on the fish and some nice drum, nice flounder. Thank you so much, man. Good time with you, bro.
Stay safe.
I ain't here for the money.